You've figured out that your hair needs more protein, but what does that mean? This is not a dumb question at all. Absolutely, eating more protein is always good for your diet, it's for your health, and if your health is good, your hair is good. But that's not what I'm talking about. The actual structure of your hair contains keratin, and keratin is made of protein. And when you deplete that keratin or that protein, your hair will get brittle and break easily and not be very healthy. You can use protein-infused shampoos and conditioners, leave-in treatments, masks. There's all kinds of things. Let me recommend a couple that I really like. I really like the Redken Extreme Cat protein products. There's treatments, shampoos, conditioners, all kinds of things. You can pick whichever product you think would be best for you, but this is a great line if you need protein. And if you need something a little budget friendly that you can find at the drugstore, you can get the Shea Moisture Hydrate Repair Protein Power Treatment. It is a lot less money and it still does a great job at filling your hair full of good, amazing protein. Keep in mind, you always want a good balance of moisture and protein in your hair. You never want to have too much protein. Protein overload can cause the same problems that having no protein can in your hair. So you don't want to overdo it. You want to make sure you're using moisturizing treatments while you use protein treatments or a treatment that has both in it.